Hello guys, welcome to my new blog and today I have Hari Bhaiya, Sankar Dai, Sangam Bhai and Parsanta Bhaiya. Just check out from the room. Come on guys. And today's our destination is the DMCC by the metro from Burjman to DMCC. Finally I arrived on Burjman station. From the Burjman station, our today's destination is the DMCC, the Marina beach, and let's walk. Oh, sad, so sad. The lift was not working available, and just walking on a slide. Bad luck. And there are the one rules of the Dubai. If you use the metro, then you will have most needed metro card, and the card must be minimum 10 dirham it will be required. So that in my card only 7.50 dirham, so that I recharge my card on 10 dirham. I put a 20 dirham on for a recharge on a metro card. Oh my god, it give me a coin. For changes it give me a coin. Let's see. So many coin it returned for me, cause I recharge only 10 dirham. Oh my god. So here so many coin I will take from return from the metro card, recharging card at the time of recharge. That's the process of the recharge on a metro card. Let's enter the metro, and that's the process of for the entering the metro. Let's move. How was the feeling, man?
I was feeling very excited, and I have water, cold water, as we see.
Let's traveling on a metro station. We have a cold water also. And we enter from the platform 2 and just we reached on a platform 4. From platform 4 there was the green red line area to go the Dubai Marina Beach, DMCC, and that card which will be required in the card is .1, so you can see properly. Okay guys, get chill and enjoy my vlog. I'm so excited to see the DMCC. Our journey started from Burjman. From here reach on a 19 and we will go on a DMCC on 37. It means 11 station it will become on a come between Burjman to DMCC. I'm so excited to go.
المحطة القادمة هي مركز دبي للسلع المتعددة. يمكنكم من خلالها الانتقال إلى ترام دبي. The next station is DMCC. This is interchange station to Dubai Tram.
Finally I arrived on DMCC. I'm so excited to see the Dubai Marina Beach. Now I tap my card. I have only 14 dirham. I got my 5 dirham. There is the one rules. For one zone you travel to, it will take 3 dirham. If you travel on a 2 zone it will take 5 dirham. So that manage yourself and take when you come to Dubai Marina Beach, take the decision from your side. And the one thing, at the time of traveling on Dubai metro station, you will must take that card. World highest residence area are located here. World highest tower residence area. Yeah.
इधर बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये। Finally, we are so near about the DMCC. Let's start it from here. Small yacht.
Just sample.
This is the trailer, man. That's the trailer. Movies here. It's the walking time. This is the small Dubai Marina Beach, and I'm so excited to go there. Dubai Marina Beach, and world highest residence building are here in Dubai Marina, beside the Dubai Marina Beach. अच्छा हो जाएगा तेरा वीडियो है ना. I'm so excited to go there, DMCC. I'm so near about the DMCC now. We take the lift from here. This is the beautiful place, man. Just check it out from here.
गर्मी लग रहा है काल।
My goodness. It's so amazing area. I'm so close of the DMCC now. And I'm so excited to see the DMCC, means the Dubai Marina Beach. Finally, we are arrived from the beach area. Adventure zone is here, man. And head on. And that's the changing room. So if you want your clothes, change your clothes and something. Hot cups. Art all marina and the bulldog are here. Big red. Yeah, bigger. This is the views of the Dubai Marina Beach. And this is the world highest residence area of Dubai. Nice painting. That's the beach area at the walking track. It's so amazing, guys, so that don't forget to come here to visit here. And I'm so tired also, man. So tired also. That's the view of the Marina beach. ये सीन देखना क्या मस्त आ रहा है कसम से। हेलो सरहरू, हजुरहरू कहाँ हराउनु भएको थियो? अब हजुरहरूलाई कुर्दै बसेको नेत्रहरूसँग पीछे तू देखा बंदो I'm gone, man. I'm gone, man. I'm really enjoying, man. It's so salty.
the bottom was so salty. मोबाइल लेके मत जा यार, बहुत गहिरो, सारे गहिरो मेरो खुट्टाले भेटेन त ए भगवान ठिक छ छिम जगडा हेलो गाइस भाइ के छ खुट्टाले भेटेको त just on a Dubai beach man. Sorry. अरे it's big man. It's big. It's still on a Dubai Marina Beach. के फरक त्यस्तो म आइदिन थिएँ त्यहाँ अहिले फेरि मोबाइल डुब्यो ल्याउनु पर्छ त्यही भएर इधर ही पेड़ नहीं आ रहा है हरि सर ओ हरि सर हात उठाउनु हात
vlogs. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share my video, and if you are new then please subscribe my channel because I'm a new YouTuber, so that if you support me then I will do my best on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new then please click the bell icon for more updates and more videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks a lot.